If you want to become a better baker and become more confident in the kitchen, then friend, you are in the right place. Hey there, my name is Heather and I am the recipe creator and cookbook author at bostongirlbakes.com. And I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. But it hasn't always been that way. I'm a self-taught baker, and my passion for baking really wouldn't take off until I was in my 20s. I grew up in rural upstate New York on a farm, and you could find me on a horse as a kid, not in the kitchen baking up treats. It wouldn't be until I moved to Boston and started taking some recreational baking classes at a local culinary school. And it was from there that my passion really took off. And that's why I started this YouTube channel. I truly believe baking from scratch doesn't have to be difficult. So if you're ready to become a better baker today, then be sure to hit subscribe. Each week I'll be delivering new recipes and baking tutorials so you can finally ditch those box mixes and start becoming a better baker today.